Hey everyone! In this video, we will be reviewing one of the new releases of MoYu, a smart cube, the Weilong V10 AI. Upon opening the box, we'll see another box for the accessory. It has the new adjustment tool that we'll talk about later, and a guide for the adjustment. Also has the user manual for the cube in Chinese and English, and another pamphlet for solving a cube. Cards for promotion and cuber collection are also included, and another one for app scanning. The cube also has a magnetic white case with a touch of orange inside. As you can see, the holes in the cube are intended for charging. Also take note that this cube uses a USB Type-C for charging. The case also doubles for phone stand, which can be done with a little manipulation in the bottom of the case. The cube's size is around 55mm, and the light that we see indicates that the cube is on and is ready for pairing. Let's now explore the features of the cube. Upon popping the center cap, there are embedded letters of MoYu and a gear that has numbers. The cube is designed for 8-level adjustment. To adjust, the tool should be aligned in the cut part of the white circle. For the tension, you turn it clockwise and it can be indicated by the little hump in the center itself. For the elasticity, you turn it counterclockwise and the number is indicated on the cut part of the white circle. This cube also has 8 magnet ball core or gyroscope core, which is transparent, where the mechanism and insides, also the light, are seen. Here is how the corners and edges look like with magnets and also dragon scales pattern. Now let's proceed on the app itself. The app can be searched in Play Store or App Store and can be easily downloaded. Let's proceed with the pairing of cube. Just click the Bluetooth pairing icon on the upper right. First, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth and location on phone. Second, make sure that the light in your cube is blinking to make sure that it is on. Just click this to pair and you're done. Surface of the app. First, on the upper left corner, you have your profile and your personal records. Your time, average, and other statistics are in here. On the upper right corner, you have the icon for the indication of cube pairing, the mail icon, and the settings. Your preferred language and other concerns about the app can be managed here. The announcement icon is also below them. On the middle right, you see the ranking list where you can see the ranking in the app, in the time trial or ranked matches, or in the WCA competitions. Below the ranking list, you'll see the solving assistant. This feature of the app will allow you to scan the scrambled cube and will give you the solution after the scan. The colors of each side can also be manually inputted if the scan doesn't work. This is me trying the solution that the app gave me after scanning. Now onto the 4 main features of this app. Let's go to the basics. So basically, the basics section would enlighten you on knowing the things you need to know in 3x3, such as the basic turnings and basic methods to solve it. Now onto the training. The training is divided into 3 sections. The fun timing allows 2 cubers to use a timer at the same time. The cube practice, on the other hand, analyzes your solves. Gives you a scramble, then after a solve, it shows your TPS, the time you allot for each step, and such. It helps in knowing where to improve your solves. I used CFOP, but this is also applicable to you. The last one is the formula training. It has a bunch of algorithms for F2L, OLL, PLL, and other advanced methods in 3x3. Next is the timing, where it functions as the usual timer that can be used for other WCA puzzles. Lastly, we have the speed cubing. It also has 3 sections: the time trial, ranked matches, and multiplayer. On a time trial, you don't need to think about a timer or a missed scramble because this feature will guide you on doing your solves. Next is ranked matches. This is basically 1v1 in cubing and would allow you to interact with other cubers all around the world. On the lower part of the screen, it would allow you to see the status of the other player that you're competing against with. Lastly, multiplayer. This feature allows more interaction between cubers since you can create a room or join to play or compete with other cubers. On the app, I noticed that there are still many upgrades that are made since every now and then it requires me to download additional data to keep the app going. Fortunately, there are no major bug issues for this app, just requires storage from your gadgets. Although there are some similarities with other smart cubes, this cube is really fun to use. It is user-friendly, perfect for kids and for those who are trying to learn how to cube. So overall, this cube made its job in ensuring that the combination of technology and speed cubing is successful.